Hey there, adventurers! Are you ready for the ultimate motorhome experience? Let's talk about the HYMER MLT 5804x4² RSX SANSIBAR Limited, a vehicle that doesn't just drive, it makes a statement. First off, the color. Pantone Turbonite Magno combined with the night package in the flowing saber exterior design. This isn't just a shade, it's a bold declaration. When you're on the road in this beauty, heads will turn and you'll feel like you're heading to something special. Now let's dive into it. The full option dashboard? It's like the cockpit of a spaceship. Only instead of flying into space, you're flying to the mountains, the sea, or wherever your heart takes you. It keeps everything you need in view, making your driving experience smooth and enjoyable. Inside, the Nappa for Bentley leather upholstery welcomes you in the color New Market Tan. This leather not only looks good, it is super soft, just like the volley fabric on the back of the cushions. The leather color in combination with the native bamboo furniture design creates a cozy atmosphere in every season. And those safety belts in a contrasting color, they add a stylish touch while keeping you secure. Who says safety can't be chic? The Palmo Sound Package Plus also sets new standards and takes your listening experience to new heights. Take your favorite music tracks with you wherever you go and stream it, thanks to smartphone integration, via the Mercedes-Benz M-Bucks 10.25 inches with Apple CarPlay or via Bluetooth. The sound from the smart LED TV in the living room can also be played via this, so you have a real cinema experience on every trip. The forged carbon package, it's lightweight, strong, and looks fantastic on the inside and outside. On the exterior, the RSX Aero Kit not only enhances the vehicle's design and aerodynamics, but also allows you to illuminate even the darkest terrain with laser light as bright as day. In addition, the Easy Care 18-inch Sphere premium wheels in satin black are designed for adventures. Equipped with massive 305 AT tires, you're ready for any terrain, whether it's city streets or rugged trails. With an upgraded weight capacity of 4,500 kilograms, you can bring along everything you need for your adventures, from camping gear to your favorite outdoor grill. So payload is nothing to worry about. The HYMER MLT 5804x4² RSX SANSIBAR Limited is more than a motorhome. It's your gateway to unforgettable experiences. So gather your friends, pack your essentials, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime.
HYMER, the benchmark.